Diabetes afflicts millions of individuals across the world. According to a study conducted by the Lancet Journal, about 98 million Indians are at the risk of developing diabetes by the end of 2030. People with diabetes must watch their carbohydrate intake to make sure that their blood sugar level stays stable throughout the day. It is also important to keep track of macronutrients like carbs, fats, and proteins since they can all affect your blood sugar. Here's how apples stack up nutritionally and why they can be a staple in a diabetes-friendly diet. Apples, the diabetes-friendly fruit. One medium apple contains 97 calories, 23 grams of carbs, 8 milligrams of vitamin C, and 85% water. Now, not all the carbs are created equal. Notice that out of 23 grams of carbs in an apple, nearly 20% of the carbs are from fiber. This fiber is really good for you because it slows down the absorption of fructose from the apple, preventing blood sugar spikes. Fiber also keeps you feeling full for longer and aids healthy digestion by keeping things moving. Apples and your blood sugar. Apples contain polyphenols, which are antioxidants known to protect against type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Polyphenols also slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing rapid increases in blood sugar. What's more, most of the sugar found in apples is fructose, which has very little effect on blood sugar. All this contributes to apple's low score on both the glycemic index and the glycemic load, both of which are tools for measuring how much a food affects your blood sugar. Apples and insulin resistance. People with diabetes have one of the two types. With type 1 diabetes, the pancreas does not produce enough insulin, a hormone that sends sugar from your blood to your cells. With type 2 diabetes, the body produces enough insulin, but the cells are not utilizing it properly. This is called as insulin resistance. Apples are a diabetes-friendly superfood because the polyphenols found in the skin of the apple have beneficial effects on improving the body's ability to utilize insulin effectively. This helps your cells absorb sugar and provide energy. So, eating apples regularly may actually reduce insulin resistance, leading to lower blood sugar levels. Can eating apples prevent diabetes? The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. So if you have a family history of diabetes, you will want to do whatever you can to prevent developing it yourself. There are multiple reasons that apples might help prevent diabetes, but the antioxidants found in apples likely play a significant role. Antioxidants are substances that prevent some harmful chemical reactions in your body. They have numerous health benefits, including protecting your body from chronic disease. Significant amounts of the following antioxidants are found in apples. Number 1. Quercetin. It may slow down carb digestion, helping to prevent blood sugar spikes. Number 2. Chlorogenic acid. It may help your body use sugar more efficiently. Number 3. Fluorescein could potentially slow down sugar absorption and lower blood sugar levels. More studies are required to further validate these findings. The highest concentrations of beneficial antioxidants are found in Honeycrisp and the red delicious varieties of apple. A 2013 study found that eating whole fruits regularly, specifically blueberries and grapes, besides apples, with skin was significantly associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. What do these fruits have in common? They contain anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid with antioxidant properties that's responsible for the lovely red, purple, and blue colors found in these fruits, mainly in the skin. However, note that the same benefit was not observed in the juice of these fruits. Also, citrus fruits, melons, and strawberries have not been found to lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. A 2019 review of studies also suggested besides apples, pears may also help decrease the cardiovascular problems and type 2 diabetes in a person's body. The best way to eat apples. Don't ever peel the skin of an apple. Eating with its skin is the best way to get nutrition. A study states a chunk of an apple's nutrient value is found in its colorful skin. So wash and keep the skin before you eat or cook it. If you are still worried, you can combine it with nuts, seeds, or high-fiber vegetables. Here is a colorful downloadable book with 5 delicious apple salad recipes for diabetics. Find and click the link in the description. Avoid apples in these forms: None of the benefits of consuming the whole apple we discussed before are found in drinking apple juices. Avoid drinking apple juice or pre-packaged applesauce, as the only thing you are getting from them is a sugar high. And in most cases, the food companies add extra sugar to it for taste and longevity. Yikes. Processed fruit like dried apples can have lower fiber content and higher sugar content, including in some cases added sugar. So my advice is to just stick to whole apples. And now it's time for the first bonus. Yay! Bonus 1. The 10 health benefits of apples. Science has now proven that eating an apple a day can actually keep the doctor away. Apart from its effect on diabetes and blood sugar levels, there are more health benefits of apple. Number 1. Apples are nutritious. Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C, potassium and vitamin K. They also contain antioxidants, which have numerous health benefits. Always wash and eat the skin, as it contains half of the fiber and many of the antioxidants. Number 2. Apples can help you lose weight as they are a low GI fruit full of fiber and water, making it a very good filling food. Number 3. It can keep your heart healthy as it contains soluble fiber that can help lower your blood cholesterol levels. Number 4. Eating apples is linked to lower risk of type 2 diabetes because of its antioxidant content. Number 5. Apples promote good gut bacteria. How? Apples contain pectin, a type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic. It feeds the good bacteria in your gut and helps protect against obesity, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Number 6. Apples have compounds that may prevent cancer. Observational studies have linked them to lower risk of cancer and deaths from cancer. Number 7. Apples can help fight asthma. Apples contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help regulate immune responses and protect against asthma. Number 8. Apples may promote bone health and may even help preserve bone mass as you age. Number 9. Apples can protect against stomach injury from NSAID painkillers. And finally, number 10. Apples may promote brain health. Apples may help prevent the decline of neurotransmitters that are involved in the making of your memories. You can get all of the above benefits if you eat the entire fresh apple without peeling its skin. Now, I have already shared this book before, but if you have not downloaded it yet, here is that colorful downloadable book with 5 delicious apple salad recipes for diabetes again. Just find the link for the book in the description and click it. Now, moving on to the second awesome bonus. Bonus 2. Other diabetic friendly fruits. This is a list of the healthiest fruits for the people with diabetes. All fruits have vitamins, phytochemicals and other things that make them good for you, but some are more likely to lower your chances of chronic disease. Number 1 is blackberries. 1 cup of raw berries has 62 calories, 14 grams of carbs and 7.6 grams of fiber. Number 2, strawberries. 1 cup of whole strawberries has only 46 calories, 11 grams of carbs and 3 grams of fiber. On number 3, we have tomatoes. 1 cup of sliced or chopped tomatoes has only 32 calories, 7 grams of carbs and 2 grams of fiber. Number 4, we have oranges. 1 medium orange has 69 calories, 17 grams of carbs and 3 grams of fiber. Number 5 on the list is pears. Pears has been shown to be beneficial for both patients with diabetes as well as for reducing cardiovascular health risks. According to Verim, the fiber in fresh fruit helps keep most of the fruits low on the GI scale. 55 or under is the score for low GI. Fresh being the key here. Here is a list of low GI fruits suitable for diabetics. So we have apples, oranges, bananas, mangoes, dates and pears. High GI fruits are to be avoided. Some fruits are on the high end of the GI scale with a value of 70 or more. These are best avoided or eaten only in small portions. Number 1, pineapple, and number 2, watermelon. Finally, we are on to the third and the last bonus of this video. Bonus number 3. Can apple cider vinegar help control blood sugar? People with type 2 diabetes can consume diluted apple cider vinegar as it could provide some benefit in helping control blood sugar levels. However, more scientific studies are needed to support its benefits. Dr. Maria Pina, an endocrinologist in New York, suggests diluting 1 teaspoon of vinegar in a glass of water to decrease irritation to the stomach and damage to the teeth enamel. According to Healthline, it can be taken after meals, which can help control blood sugar spikes. Another way to take it is just before bedtime, which helps moderate blood sugar on waking up. That said, apple cider vinegar is not a quick fix or a magic bullet that can fix your blood sugar problems. Eventually, eating a high fiber diet that contains the right amount of carbs, proteins, and healthy fats alongside regular physical exercise are the most effective ways of controlling that. So here's your final takeaway from this video. Whole apples with skin are a great snack choice for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. So yes, if you have diabetes, go ahead and eat those apples. It's not a problem. But number 2, don't ever peel the skin of an apple. The colorful skin has the big chunk of the apple's nutrition in it. So wash and eat apples with the skin. If you're still worried, you can combine it with nuts, seeds, or high fiber vegetables and create a sort of salad with it. Number 3, apples in other forms such as apple juice, apple sauce, or even dried apple fruit do not give the same benefits as whole fresh apples. They should be avoided. Number 4, remember to download our printable, colorful recipe book with 5 delicious apple salad recipes. Find and click on the link in the description. Number 5, besides apples, other diabetic friendly fruits that you can include in your diet are blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, tomatoes, and pears and oranges. Number 6, apple cider vinegar can be used for blood sugar control. Some doctors suggest diluting 1 teaspoon of vinegar in a glass of water and having it just after meals or at night just before bedtime. So how do you like this video? Do share which section you love the most in the comments. Your valuable feedback gives me the motivation to keep coming up with more such videos. To support my work, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon to get notifications when I make new videos so that you get to see them as soon as I make them. My name is Anupama and thank you for watching.
If you've enjoyed watching this video, do like, comment and subscribe to our channel.